Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So find the icon of the HUAWEI Health app and then tap on it to open the application. In the app you should see the health page. Now tap on devices to open the devices page. On it you should see your HUAWEI Watch 5. Tap on it to select it. On this page, scroll down and look for the option called notifications. Tap on it, and by default they probably will be enabled, or rather disabled. And if you try to enable them and you don't have the required permissions allowed, you will see this pop up on the screen. What you need to do is to tap on the screen. Here you need to find the HUAWEI Health application on the list, tap on it, and then you need to tap on the switch next to allow notification access, and then tap on allow. And once the allow notification access is enabled, you can go back by tapping on the back button. And now the notifications should be turned on, and you can also customize the settings for them. You can enable the option to mute the notifications when you're using your phone. So if the screen on your phone is active on, the notifications on your watch won't pop up. But of course that's when this option is enabled. But if you disable it, they will pop up anyway, even though you're using your phone. And here you have a list of applications installed on your phone, and you can turn on and off the notifications for specific apps. And how it works is basically if you turn on notifications, let's say for Discord, and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch, you will see it only on your phone. I'm gonna enable Discord because I'm gonna use it for testing. And once you're done with this page, you can go back. And I believe you can also look for the calls, but no, I don't see anything like that. Okay, so I think that's about all. Yeah. So once you're done with the notifications, they're enabled, and you turned on the notifications for the apps you want. It should be working now, so we can now try it. I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And we got the notification on our phone. Let's check our watch. And we have this pop-up at the bottom of the screen, which means that we have the notification. Under notification, we can swipe up, and here we have our notifications, you can see from the Discord. So it is working, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.